Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Thank you for stopping by. This is another slideshow of some stuff that I've made using old reclaimed wood. Now, this here is a table that the wife wanted for the back porch. My brother-in-law Joe and I put this together one Saturday, and it's just a bunch of old 2x4s that I had hanging out in the backyard. They were all gray and twisted and nasty, not good for anything else, but we managed to make a little table. Now this was during the build. That was it when we were building it, and a lot of the pictures I'll show you are recent pictures of things that I made 15-20 years ago, and it shows you how well they stand up. Now this next one coming up, this here is just a little bench that I made out in the shed, and that's just a tabletop or a dresser top that I repurposed. And that took me, a couple hours to do. Most of it was waiting for the stain to dry. Now this is one of the few things coming up that I used new wood on, and this is the wife's table. And she was bugging me for a new table, so I made that for her. This here I made 20 years ago. It's a little microwave stand, and again, that's just all old pallets that I tore apart and repurposed the wood for. And this is another little project that my brother-in-law Joe, my brother-in-law John, and a couple of friends of ours, on a Saturday, I was cleaning up the shed, and these were just all the scrap cut-off pieces from other projects. And we just had a few beers and had fun making it. This here's a table that my brother-in-law John and I made for his grandmother. We made this 18 years ago, and that's just all leftover wood flooring. It's all oak, and a buddy of ours dropped off a bunch of this scrap wood that he had from redoing a floor, and so she needed a table, and we made her a little coffee table. This right here is a current project I'm working on in my kitchen, and I'm making a wall to hang up all my cast iron pots and pans. It's still a work in progress. It's not done just yet, but again, this is just all scrap pallet wood that I tore apart, and I think it looks nice. On the right, those cabinets, I made them about 10 years ago, and that was another thing I bought new wood for. But there's a lot you can do with all these old pallets. A lot of them are free. Some people even pay you to take them. And the wood on it is gorgeous. I personally don't like painting wood. I like the character. I love the nail holes and all the dents and imperfections. I believe that just gives the wood much more character. But anyway, if you're interested in watching me build some of this stuff and how I take care of it, leave a like and a comment below and subscribe, and I'll do some more. Have a good day.